Hello everyone. In this very short modeling tutorial in Blender, I'll show you two ways to use the Edge Slide tool that you might not know yet. As you probably know, if you're in Edit mode and select an edge in Edge Select mode, then press the G key twice, you can slide the edge along the other edges it's connected to in two different directions. The first alternative way to use Edge Slide involves holding the Alt key and lets you slide the selected edge outside of the original geometry. So after selecting the edge, press the G key twice to determine the direction in which the edge will slide. Then press and hold the Alt key to slide the edge in the same direction, but in the opposite direction. The second edge slide mode covered in this tutorial uses two different shortcuts. Actually, these are options you'll also find in the operator panel after using the tool, as they are the even and flipped options. These two options also appear in the Loop Cut and Slide operator panel. When you make a cut with Loop Cut between two edge loops that have different shapes, Blender creates a new edge loop with a shape that's somewhere in between the two. But if you want the new edge loop to match the shape of one of the two adjacent edge loops, you can press the E key, which is the shortcut for the even option. So you would press the G key twice, then press E. The new edge loop will take on the shape of one of the adjacent edge loops. If you wanted to take on the shape of the other one instead, press the F key as well, which is the shortcut for the flipped option after pressing G twice and then E. Unlike most of my other video tutorials, the PDF version of this one is not currently available for download. However, you'll find a link in the description that leads to a page with PDF versions of many of my other tutorials. In any case, now's a great time to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That's it for this very short tutorial. I hope it was helpful. See you next time.